These crypto resources are worth thousands of dollars and I'm going to be giving away for free. And here's why. So I've been in the markets for 5-6 years now. I've been doing this a very, very long time, but it took me years to really get to grips of where you should be doing your research and how to do your research in the cryptocurrency markets. That makes a huge difference between picking a performing altcoin and a not performing altcoin. So in this video, I'm going to break down some of the key things that I do every single time I do a research on a cryptocurrency that is going to determine the difference whether I get in or I do not. When I first joined the cryptocurrency markets back 5-6 years ago, I started trading and then moved into investing in longer term spot positions. Now, as that transition happened, I was learning on the go about what cryptocurrency was, understanding decentralized finance, understanding smart contracts, understanding the overall scope of how cryptocurrency and blockchain technology works. With that, I made a lot of mistakes getting into the wrong altcoins because I did not know how to research them properly. So listen in, because I'm going to break it down some of the key things that you need to be looking at. Oh, and also make sure you watch until the end of this video because I'm going to be giving away a full jam-packed 23-page document on how I do my crypto research. So one of the first things that you need to do when you're looking for a cryptocurrency is, where do you actually find cryptocurrencies from? Now, there's a few platforms that you can use. One is CoinGecko. That's my preferred platform. It's the one that I've been using for years. The second one is CoinMarketCap. And the third one is CryptoRank. CryptoRank is more new and actually has a lot more resources that you can use, including vesting schedules, ICOs, IDO, launchpad drops, and things like that. So if you want a more comprehensive resource for token analytics, then CryptoRank is your preferred. If not, if you want something a little bit more basic, easier to read and understand, then CoinGecko is definitely the go-to. One of the main aspects of cryptocurrencies is understanding the white paper. Okay, the white paper is basically a huge document that lays out exactly what the cryptocurrency's vision, values, mission, but also the token structure, the vesting schedule, understanding the team, the background, everything technologically driven within that cryptocurrency and how their blockchain may work or how the AI token works. That's all done inside of the white paper. Now, I recommend, not even recommend, I think you 100% should read every single white paper of every single cryptocurrency that you invest in. A lot of people don't even look at it. And if you don't want to look at the white paper, at least look at the light paper, which is a more condensed version, because this is actually going to determine whether this project is actually a good project or a bad one. I'll give you a background story. When I was looking at a particular cryptocurrency project that one of my mentorship clients was asking me to research, the project was Blender Network. No shade to this project, but I realized that even by looking at the white paper, there was a lot of key information missing in the white paper that made me raise red flags, which made me look deeper into the project, looking into the smart contract, where I found huge issues with the cryptocurrency itself and made me make the decision that this was not a good investment choice. And that is why it's so important to look at the white paper. And there's a few key things that you need to look out for. Number one is understanding whether the white paper has a roadmap. Does it have a long-term perspective of where they see the project going? Not just talking about the token. If the white paper is consistently talking about token, this is how much money you can make, here's the returns, that is a massive red flag, and it means they don't have a long-term perspective. It means they're more bothered about the financial gain of their token than it is about the technological advancement of the cryptocurrency that they're actually developing and the blockchain technology that they're integrating. The white papers that focus a lot on the blockchain technology, how this is actually going to revolutionize not just the cryptocurrency industry, but the overall world in general, those tend to be the white papers that have a more longer term vision and tend to be the ones that actually end up being better investments than those that focus on the short term. Another thing with the white paper, which is key, is the team on there. Is this project a non-doxed or a doxed project? A non-docs project is a project that is anonymous. You cannot find who the founders are. And this, again, is a red flag. Why would I invest in anything when I don't even know who the founders are or who the people are that are actually creating this project in the first place? If the team are not in the white paper, get rid straight away. Now, don't get me wrong. Are there anonymous projects that are successful? Yes. But for me personally, I see this as a big red flag, and I would rather not invest in something, because you want to not only invest in the technology, but you want to invest in the people. You want to invest in the person that's actually developing this. And that's why the projects like Ethereum have the figurehead, Vitalik Buterin. Cardano has the figurehead, 𝗥𝗲𝗹 𝗦𝗲. People buy into people. People buy into Tesla not because of Tesla, but because of Elon Musk. So vet the team, look at the team. Have they had previous exits in this market? Have they been developing previous blockchain crypto projects in the past? Do they have a good background in finance and tech? You need to look into this because it's super, super, super important. The other major key aspect for the cryptocurrency to be a success in terms of price action is actually looking at the vesting schedule. In simple terms, the vesting schedule is an understanding on how much of the token supply is currently unlocked into the market and how much supply is given to each stakeholders. So you could have a percentage for ecosystem growth, for the community, for grants, but also for early adopters, private sailors, Series A, Series B. Looking at the vesting schedule, you want to actually see over a period of time what the lockup periods are. So how long is it until the team get their tokens, early investors, and also how that is distributed over a period of time. I like to use an app called Tokenomics.app, and that gives me the perspective on each token vesting schedule for all of the altcoins that I currently have in my portfolio. And I look at this religiously because this is also a make or break point of whether a token is actually a good investment or a bad investment. Because who wants to invest in a coin that's going to be adding 5x its supply over the next 12 months, where it's heavily distributed against Series A, private sailors, etc. That's going to be really bad for sell pressure and understanding when the token unlock periods are. And within that, you can also find out what the market cap is of a particular project. This is going to determine the risk of the altcoin. The lower the market cap, the higher the risk, and also what the fully diluted valuation is, understanding how much of the token is actually unlocked and into the supply, and what the fully diluted valuation is, the total value of that cryptocurrency project. People that have 5% of the token unlocked might have an extreme fully diluted valuation, and that can determine the difference as to whether you actually invest in that project or not. So that's just a top tip for me as well. Now, those are just some of the key aspects of what you can do to improve your crypto research. And in the description right now, you can download a 23-page document of absolutely everything I use to do my research. Not just token unlock schedules, but we're looking at news, fundamentals, on-chain analytics, technical analysis, everything you need to know. So make sure you click the link down below and download that research cheat sheet. Also, if you found this interesting and want more support from myself and my team, go and click the link to apply now for my Altcoin Advantage Mastermind, where I take on certain clients and I help and coach and mentor and support them through the crypto markets and help them enter and exit the market. All right, guys, thanks for listening to this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.